Let's make fried rice at the comfort of our kitchen. Do you think making fried rice is difficult, honey? No, it is easier compared to jollof rice and stew rice. All you have to do if you don't have beef broth is to pour in hot water. Add in all your seasoning. I'm adding curry, ginger powder, and salt. Pour in your rice. I'm using parboiled basmati rice for this recipe. Add a little turmeric for coloring. Next, I will be adding chunks of bell pepper. I love it because it gives the rice a unique taste. Now, cover it to cook. Next, I'm introducing my veggies. I already have frozen green beans, peas, and sweet corn. Next, I will be using my vegetable chopper to chop green bell pepper, carrots, and onions. Get yourself this vegetable chopper. It will make your life easy. I think this is the only way you can complain of preparing fried rice, but if you have this vegetable chopper, it's easy to prepare. Once you're done preparing all your veggies, I also have spring onions. This I will be slicing it with my knife. Once all your vegetables are nicely chopped and sliced, the next is to check on your rice. Your rice is fully cooked. Take out the chunk bell pepper, you don't need it, just trash it. Check out the rice. I hope you love the grain. It is parboiled basmati rice, not any kind of basmati rice, parboiled. If you are here in the States, you can get it at Indian Bazaar. Parboiled, okay? Now, I will pour a little vegetable oil, add onion, stir fry it until it is a little brown or not. Now, I'm using shrimp for this fried rice. You can equally skip that. Add your seasoning, ginger, curry, and Knor seasoning. Also salt, ginger powder. Stir fry it until it is fully cooked. Once it's done, we'll be adding first the strong veggie, which is carrot. It's gonna be step by step. You don't need to pour all the veggies at the same time. Next is green beans. It is also strong vegetable. Now we are pouring the sweet corn and the peas at the same time. Mix all together. Next is to add the bell pepper. Bell pepper is a little bit soft compared to other veggies. Now it's time to add your fully cooked rice. Mix together. At this point, remember to taste your food. If you need to add more salt, add the spring onions. Start the mixing. You don't need to overcook your veggies. It's very necessary, but don't let it be half done. Yes. Always test your food. At this point, we are done. Check it out. We've made ourselves a delicious fried rice. Let me know if you're trying it today. Thank you. Do not forget to follow. Bye.